Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an August read for you, concentrating on just you, what you need to know and how to navigate that. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin. A big thank you to all my subscribers. The channel is young, healthy, and growing with all the love and care that you all are sending it. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Also, if you're new here, do subscribe. We're a small Omkara family. We meet here every week for love readings, monthlies, bi-monthlies, etc. We welcome you in and join us. So, Aquarius. Queen of Wands. Wow, action time. Let's see your first card, current position, Aquarius. Nine of Swords. What are you worried about, Aquarius? Here you're showing up as the Queen of Wands, somebody who is powerful, who's intelligent. She's the one go-getting queen, she's the most dynamic queen in the tarot deck. She's beautiful, she's got everything under control. She is the life of a party. All eyes are on her all the time because she's that dynamic. And here I see you all stressed out, worried, not sleeping at night, having nightmares. So what are you worried about, Aquarius? Let's see what happened in your recent past. Four of Cups, feeling a little depressed in love, it seems. Let's take a clarifier or two before we go ahead. So, Spirit, why is my Aquarius in this Knight of Swords energy? Somebody said some harsh, mean words to you, Aquarius, or this is what you're going through right now. Maybe there is somebody sneaky around you who likes to play power games, tries to kind of finger you, needle you and get you irritated. And this person is a bit nasty in the way they communicate with you. And you really don't like it, do you? This gives you, it makes you feel really unhappy. It makes you feel sad. It doesn't let you have a restful sleep thinking about over and over about, how this person is behaving, not behaving authentically. You are feeling that, it's time to make a choice regarding this person. How long can you, live in a place where you can't even have a good night's sleep? Because this person is irritating you all the time, and you're actually thinking now of making some kind of decision regarding the circumstance that you find yourself in. This could be in a job as well, Aquarius. It could be your boss or something like that as well, but it could be a relationship too. But some male who's an important, masculine figure in your life. So in the recent past, I see you here as the Four of Cups. Feeling depressed, sad. I had a peeper here. Let's see what that is. Yeah. Maybe this person was, whoever you were dealing with, you felt this person's a player, or maybe you felt this person's not responsible. One day says something, one day says something else, and this led you to feel really sad, really upset, because you felt you couldn't feel grounded. There was no grounding in this relationship, probably. Even though I didn't mean it for this to be a relationship reading, Aquarius, but whatever's most uppermost in your mind is what's going to show up, right? And you felt things are totally stuck with this person now. Things are just not moving, and you have been feeling very, very upset and sad in the past. And now you are maybe thinking of escaping this person who's been harsh towards you, and making a decision regarding that. Let's see what's coming up in August for you then. Three of Cups. So, no longer fighting for this, it seems, or giving up the fight. Now, Aquarius, Three of Cups has a dual meaning, okay? The Three of Cups could mean reconciliation and giving up the fight, or it could be giving up this relationship and finding happiness within, your own, with your own kin, with your own maybe family or friends, and going out and actually celebrating life after giving up this. So we'll have to clarify that, Aquarius. Let's see. So, Spirit, what is it that Aquarius is going to let go of? And what is this Three of Cups for Aquarius? Yes, you're letting go of this fight, Aquarius. You're definitely letting go of this fight altogether. And what is this Three of Cups then, Spirit? Are they reconciling, or they just being happy on their own? No, Aquarius, I think somebody's going to come towards you and apologize. Okay? There's somebody in August is going to come towards you, maybe with an apology and maybe an offer for reconciliation, which is going to now, you're going to drop this fight, you're going to drop all this, feeling of defensiveness, and maybe give this person a chance to prove that they mean what they say this time. A lot of secrets will be coming out. A lot of secrets will be coming out regarding why this person behaved like this in the past, what happened, and this apology is going to come towards you. It's going to set you off, maybe feeling very powerful and happy once again. Yeah, this is somebody you've known for a long time, Aquarius. This is somebody you share some sweet memories with. This is somebody from your past. You could have known this person for at least a decade or more. This is your soulmate. You do have a lot of love for this person. So I don't think you're leaving this person, you're leaving the fight. And you're going to reconcile again with this person after this apology. So what is it that you should hold on to? Aquarius, hold on to the feeling that this person loves you, please. Okay? Spirit says, please hold on to this feeling that yes, there is love, and bring back some flirtatious energy, some magic back, some romance back, and hold on to the feeling that yes, you are the empress, or this person is the empress in your life and can bring you growth and long-term stability. That's what Spirit says. Please hold on to this feeling. Don't give it up. Anything else, Spirit? There's so much love here. So much love here, Aquarius. Spirit says, please hold on to this love. This is a love of a lifetime. This is a soulmate of yours. Okay? So hold on to this, please. Hold on to this feeling of happiness and growth. If you're here with whatever they've done, trying to see whether you should move ahead with them or not, Aquarius, I see them coming towards you with an apology. Bring down your defenses. Give them a chance. So let's see what's in your hurdle position. Nine of Cups. Why is the Nine of Cups? Okay, not moving towards. So Spirit says the biggest hurdle you have right now, even though this is your wish fulfillment, you're not taking action towards it. Right? This is your perfect partner. But your own indecision, your own worry, your own stress is not allowing you to take action towards this person, or vice versa. It could be a partner not taking action towards you. So somebody is not taking action, and that is leading to the feeling that you can't be happy. Yeah, there's lack of passion here. There's a lack of passion here which has come about with all this fighting and whatever. It's time to make that decision now, to go back to being in love, to bring the lovers back into an upright position. So there's going to be a hurdle if you don't take any action, Aquarius. Let's see how this person views you, Aquarius. They see you as the High Priestess. Aquarius, they see you as not wanting to reveal any of your secrets. They see you very quiet, not talkative. And Aquarius, if you don't talk to your partner, it's going to lead to a whole lot of problems. It doesn't solve anything. Yeah, they see you as not wanting to have any more commitment with them. They see you as maybe wanting to break a commitment with them. They see you as holding too many secrets and being in your own self and not sharing any kind of information. I think this is kind of freaking them out, because they don't know how to react. Yeah, they see you as heartbroken, or maybe breaking their heart by your being so quiet. Okay, so This is how they see you, Aquarius. Anything else, Spirit? They see you as, not wanting to return, or not being very, very troubled at this time, and they want to return to you, that's for sure. That's for sure. But they don't know how, because there is no communication here. They're heartbroken and they see you as heartbroken. This is just a tarot reading, Aquarius. If you can get something out of this, if you can make some kind of move towards them, it may just open up things to a very happy space. Let's see what you should let go of. 10 of Cups. Why should Aquarius let go of this 10 of Cups, Spirit? One more card. One more card, Spirit. Spirit says, if there's been no balance in this equation, if there has been no equal give and take or balance or no justice, and why? Because something maybe happened, some tower moment happened in your lives which kind of made you feel that way. It's time to shut that chapter, okay, of whatever happened in the past. And if something rocked this stable place in your life, right? Something rocked this place. So if it's only after you let go of this feeling of this tower moment, this justice and whatever, and shut this chapter and start a new chapter maybe. Can you have this 10 of Cups wish fulfillment with this person? It is possible. It is possible. But it totally depends on what actions you're going to take. It can turn out to be everything that you've ever dreamt of. You have the 9 of Cups here, you have the 10 of Cups, the Ace of Cups. I mean, all that, and the 6 of Cups. All that, and then so much confusion here. You'll have to put an end to this, Aquarius. Both of you, but you have to allow each other with some communication and some passion. Let's see, Spirit's advice to you. Yeah, here it is, balance. Equal give and take. Bring some balance back into this equation if you want this relationship to work, Aquarius. You're on very, very weak wicket here. Any wrong move can disrupt this. So if you feel that that person has been giving too little, or if you feel you've been giving too little, please try and, see? No. I'm sorry, Aquarius. This is a beautiful connection. It's your 10 of Pentacles. It's your 10 of Pentacles. Spirit is saying it's time to now give and receive. Not just get and not just give. This is meant to be. It's a beautiful relationship. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, the Lovers. You have it all. There has just been a tower moment or two maybe which has put a barrier here. And here's the Queen of Wands again and again. I think Spirit is urging you, if you are the feminine watching this, to take some action and try and bring some balance back. And if you're the masculine watching this, oh my God, Aquarius, male, this woman, if she leaves your life, you've lost something beautiful. Because she is the queen who is irreplaceable. Right? So hold on to her and never let her go. Let's have an angel blessing card for you as well. My angels, please bless Aquarius with a beautiful message from you. What is it that may be an advice or blessing for them? Stay optimistic. Stay optimistic. Don't go back, thinking about everything that went wrong in the past. Take action towards bringing happiness and joy back in your life. One more, Spirit. One more card. Yes. You have a lot of emotions for each other. A lot of emotions. So please keep the good ones. You do love each other. You know that. I mean, It's so obvious here with the Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Two of Cups, Six of Cups. All kinds of cups are here. So if you have so much emotion for each other, stay optimistic that you can bring it back into balance, Aquarius. Things can work out. All you need is to bring some balance. The balance which I think was lost in the past. Something became out of balance. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. See you for your love reading. Hopefully it'll be nice and exciting and you people are made up by then. So take care, love and light. Namaste. See you soon.